What's up, guys? It's your boy Butch from Imperial Automobili. Today is another day in Imperial Paradise. This vehicle right here, of course, as you saw in the last video, we blew the motor. Now we took it out and trying to go ahead and download a new software. Put a new motor in there. We're gonna put an LS engine in there with a good heavy-duty transmission, good clutch. That will have a drifter vehicle. So it's a cool project. Stay tuned. Welcome to Imperial TV. I love my life. Amazing. A little inspection of the bottom of the vehicle. Apparently the guy said that the bumper is kind of like buzzing out. I said maybe because of the scrapes that this whole front end been going through. So what happens, it just jacks up the bumper a little bit high, which jacks up the bumper, pops out, and we need to bring it back in. Probably underneath the bumper cover there's brackets like these right here. See how it's bent right here? Yeah. Probably we need to fix these brackets. Let me take a picture to send it to the customer. Let me get it approved, and then we can do it. Take it off from them. The client got a 1016 hood, carbon fiber. I think he got it directly from them. I'm not sure. So he had several shops to install that hood. They couldn't align it. Now it's here for us to align it. That's where it happens. Don't waste time. You want something done right, you come to me. I'm not saying anything bad about the other shops, but I'm just saying, yo, who's in business? Who's giving out good quality work? This mofo right here. So you want some mofo work? I'll give you some mofo work. But yeah, I mean, you saw the gap on my hood on my SVJ. It's perfect. Why? Because I aligned it myself. If you want the gap to be perfect on that one, of course I can do it. Just come to me. Don't go somewhere else and then come to me.
Tell me about the car. Is it the same SVJ?
Okay, so this one is the same SVJ. The only thing is that mine's 2021. That one is a 2000. Hold on, mine is 2020. This one is a 2019, so it's a year older than mine. Mine is full carbon fiber, as far as like top, bottom, the whole 9 yard, and also mine is a roadster. That's the difference between this one and mine. Do I like this one? Hell yeah. Why? Because roadster is a beautiful car, but it's not like track safe because there's no top and shit can easily pop out of nowhere. So with this one right here, it's a track car. I have to just put a roll cage in it and then take it on the track. Yes, sir. Just got the okay to go ahead and take out the front bumper. Now we're gonna take out the front bumper, fix the brackets, try to shove the bumper back in there, and it's all in place where it's basically topping on each side. And that's because all the force when the car dips down, it scrapes. When it scrapes, it pushes, it tucks to the hood, and it bows out. So we're gonna fix it. My man, your car is gonna be perfect.
Things, good things. Who's here?
Oh, one of my amazing friend from Instagram.
Good things. This person right here.
No, you're the
The
good
person behind the camera too. So
you're you want to tell us about yourself?
Yeah, tell us a little bit. I mean, I just love cars like you and like everybody else that is on the community.
But I've seen some wild things on your Instagram. You're hanging out with from Ferrari guys.
You are at the Ferrari side, right?
Mr. Ferrari guys, yeah, like you.
Remember, you are at Lambo Land.
We're going to Lambo Land. Sounds exciting. I'm willing to see some toys down there.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, I got some new moves coming up, but I still have not made my decision. But speaking of that, there will be a surprise if it works out, and I'll show it to you guys. But if not, then I'll just keep it to myself. You guys will never know about it. But it's some big money moves for sure. Yeah, I'm going through a lot right now, like trying to catch up with work, catch up with bringing in clients as much as I could to keep the guys busy.
Work is always a blessing.
Oh yeah, thank God. So
Nice.
I mean, we always have work, but my guys are hungry for more work.
Hey, that's good.
And lately, people have been not wrecking, I guess, or they know how to drive. I don't know. Accents are not happening.
Yes, subscribe to Yolo and subscribe to Pablo. Y'all gonna like everything y'all see in there.
I appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Imperial TV as well.
There you go.
The link is below. YOLO Lamborghini. If you go on YOLO Lamborghini, you will see our page. Also, you'll see the link for the page. Also, you'll see the link for our YouTube channel.
Also, for my people, whoever needs good car fixing or anything, come to Yolo.
I love you, man. Thank you. I appreciate you. Let me give you a tour. Which is, the video is going to be really badass. The video that I'm about to post about my trip to Tulum, Mexico.
Also, congrats, Austin and Cassie, again.
It was so funny. It's like when they did the gender reveal, the box at first it threw in confetti and there's like blue and pink. So I was like, it's cousin Ed, or is it he, she, or is it 20 of a boy and a girl? And they're like, oh no, it's in the box. So in the box they had like pink inside of it. And, oh, it's a girl.
So it was like
I felt like, oh, it was so cute. It was so amazing. I'm very happy for them. Congrats.
They're awesome people. Hope to see them around.
The insurance doesn't want to total the car. I really like this car. I'm gonna try and let the customer say, hey, I'll buy it from the insurance, or maybe the insurance will pay me to repair it, and then I'll just pay the customer for the vehicle and keep the vehicle to myself. Cut it and cut the E30 body out, and then just put it on top of the frame of that vehicle. Then I'll have a V8 swap E30, or just take the motor out of the transmission.
This is what heaven looks like, guys. If you don't have an ambition and dreams as big as this car, you ain't dreaming big enough. So this is what takes you to be somebody, basically. Yes, you can be somebody, but I mean, these are the ambitions that you want to have to work your ass off for something that is not.
That was exactly where I was. That's what I had in mind. Like every time I saw a freaking valve cow that says Lamborghini on it, I was like, damn. I want it one day. I'll own it. You work hard for it.
You know the saying: if you don't look back whenever you're looking away from your car, you didn't purchase the right car too.
Guys, you have to think positive. See, it's raining right now outside. I just told them that it's raining. They were like, is it? Oh yeah, why is it? No, you have to think positive. It's raining outside. Take it out of your mind. It's not raining.
Wait, hold on.
I guarantee you it's not going to be raining.
Who said anything about anything negative?
See, it's not even raining. All you have to do is just think positive. This is a Kia. Think positive. Lamborghini. See, it's a Lamborghini. All you have to do is think positive.
Oh, this.
You want to be negative? Here we go. You got a Kia. You want to be positive? You gotta get a Lamborghini.
That's a pretty Kia, though. I would say that.
Let me think. There's a Honda behind my Lamborghini.
Okay.
It's a Mercedes. It's a Mercedes.
Pablo, let me think. There's an awesome person next to me.
I love
you. He wants something. What do you want?
Hey, what do I want? Tell me. Give me some ideas so I can take advantage of these awesome people.
Probably a Lamborghini.
Appreciate you. Good luck trying to scare me next time because it didn't work this time.
I
so
try.
I'm too used to the car.
But the pool was nice. Didn't
The
you
pool
like it?
was fucking nice. I felt my soul leave my body, but I mean, I'm used to it. Even though it's funny because as a human, I know how Bush drives. I can trust him 100% with his driving skill. But being human, that instinct of you is like, are we gonna crash? Like, you know, I don't know. Like, you know the person, but your instinct as a human is like, you know, tells you like you cannot trust this person as much, which is funny because the driving experience is way different from being the passenger experience, because as a driver you trust the car more because you know who it is and it is you.
I mean, I can't even guarantee it myself.
Yeah,
but
yeah, but
it
you
was
get
good
where I'm
pool.
going, right?
I did a couple pulls in the McLaren for him.
Yeah, he was trying to scare me. I'm just like, I'm enjoying this shit. This is my shenanigans.
Alright, man.
Alright, brother. Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother. Did somebody order a butch? I was kidnapped, okay? That's pretty cool. Everything's adjusted. Everything is back to normal. So, this car came in here because the carbon fiber is not lining up at all. There's huge gaps. You could barely open and close the hood, of course. Why? Because it wasn't brought to the right place. Hood was overlapping with the headlights. It was touching the bumper, and the gaps were super cuckoo. Now, you close it. Gaps are perfect. Everything lines up perfectly.